To lower A1C levels without medication, you have to focus on the lifestyle aspect of what lowers A1C levels. Let me explain. The A1C number is tested every 3 months because it takes 3 months for the body to develop a new set of red blood cells. You can begin lowering the A1C levels without medication by focusing on the 5 steps that make the most difference: nutrition, meal timing, stress, sleep, exercise, and strength training, with an emphasis on strength training. These are the keys to success with achieving lower A1C levels without depending on medication. Now let's look at each step. Meal timing makes a key difference for lowering the A1C without medication because the time of day you eat your food matters a lot for blood sugar success and reversing type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. A common mistake many people make is to eat too late in the day before going to bed. If a person eats 1 to 2 hours before going to bed, especially a heavy meal, when the body isn't given enough time to digest that food before entering the sleep time, this means that the blood sugar reset doesn't happen. They were already probably at a high blood sugar level, then they ate their meal really late in the day. Then they go to bed, their blood sugar is high when they go to bed, and then overnight there's not enough time for it to get back to a healthy blood sugar level range of numbers. So therefore it makes it unlikely that they'll awaken in the morning with fasting blood sugar numbers in the 70 to 99 range, ideally 75 to 85. This makes that much tougher, right? So meal timing also means giving the body regular meals at the same time each day. If a person eats in an erratic manner or skips meals like lunch, it can signal the body that it doesn't know when to expect food. This throws the body's natural rhythm off kilter and out of whack, like the natural circadian rhythm. This natural circadian rhythm determines hormonal balance, for instance, between insulin, thyroid hormones, adrenal and stress hormones, the hunger hormone of ghrelin, and the satiety hormone of leptin. Irregular meal timing also exaggerates feelings of cravings and makes it harder to know when to stop eating. Portion control can be a struggle when meal timing is off. Now let's look at another step. Nutrition. What a person eats makes a major difference in lowering the A1C without medication. Success here is influenced by eating enough protein, emphasizing leafy green vegetables, eating healthy fats, and eating complex carbohydrates that are slow burning and contain resistant starch. Some examples include beans, peas, legumes, like lentils and chickpeas. These kinds of foods are digested slowly and avoid causing rides on the blood sugar roller coaster. Eating these foods can help avoid blood sugar spikes and blood sugar crashes. It helps to keep blood sugar in a healthier range, which can lead to lowering A1C without medication by letting the body's natural responses lead to a healing environment. Remember, this healing journey is about progress, not perfection. Self-care is not selfish. What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, subscribe to this channel, and turn your notifications on. It actually helps other people who care about their health, who perhaps have diabetes, blood sugar concerns, and who want to lower their A1C without medications, find this video, and that means we can help more people. This way you can help me grow the channel and reach others with this information. Thank you so much. All right, now, let's look at the third step, stress. Stress can make a significant difference in the ability to lower the A1C without medication. Stress can even cause the A1C to rise, even if a person is otherwise doing a good job with the other 4 steps of lifestyle that help to lower the A1C. Stress must be controlled and managed in ways that are healthy. Otherwise, it will undo the good work of the other lifestyle steps. Did you know? Severe stress can cause type 2 diabetes and prediabetes. Chronic high levels of stress can cause type 2 diabetes and prediabetes. And stress can interfere with sleep, creating a double whammy of hormonal chaos and metabolic misery that can cause the A1C to increase. That's right, it can cause it to go up. It's not fair, but it can happen. Please do whatever is needed to manage stress in healthy ways as soon as possible. Find what works to lower stress levels so it doesn't cause problems with lowering A1C numbers. Now for the 4th step, sleep. It is often a hidden root cause of problems with high A1C numbers over time. Poor sleep and sleep disorders like sleep apnea, cause average blood sugar numbers to climb higher and higher, leading directly to the A1C climbing higher and higher. Or sleep problems can make it much more difficult for the A1C to lower. If a person has an A1C number that is too high and won't budge, it might be a good idea to explore whether sleep is the reason for stubborn A1C problems. Once healthy sleep is supported, it improves the possibility of lowering the A1C without medication. For the fifth step, strength training and exercise, consistency is crucial to have this help improve A1C numbers. To get fast results in lowering the A1C quickly, a person can emphasize strength training as active working muscles are blood sugar sponges. Did you know? The muscles have a receptor called GLUT4 receptors, GLUT4 receptors, that speeds the uptake and use of blood sugar, of glucose, when we exercise. This is an excellent thing, and I invite you to take advantage of this. GLUT4 is an insulin-regulated glucose transporter protein found in skeletal and cardiac muscle and fat tissue. It is responsible for moving glucose from the bloodstream into cells. This makes the glucose, the blood sugar, available as energy, which is what we want, instead of storing it as fat in the liver and other organs in the abdomen. When insulin is released, it triggers a cascade that causes GLUT4 to move from places inside the cell, the intracellular vesicles, to the cell membrane, allowing glucose uptake to lower blood sugar. This phenomenon is why I say active working muscles are blood sugar sponges. What's your experience with these steps? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and turn your notifications on. It actually helps other people who care about their health, who perhaps have diabetes, blood sugar concerns, and who want to lower their A1C without medications, find this video, and that means we can help more people. This way, you can help me grow the channel and reach others with this information. Thank you so much. All right, taken all together, each of these 5 steps, nutrition, meal timing, stress, sleep, exercise, and strength training, with the emphasis on strength training, make it more possible to lower A1C levels without medication. Remember, this healing journey is always about progress, not perfection. Please take great care of yourself. Self-care is not selfish. Check out the description for my channel and this video, where you will find links to join one of our programs. You can buy my book, The Yates Protocol, 5 Simple Steps to Fix Your Blood Sugar and Reverse Type 2 Diabetes. You can buy CGM's Continuous Glucose Monitors. You can join our community via the email list and other ways to work on your health goals. I'm Dr. Beverly Yates. I'll see you in the next video. You're welcome to watch a playlist where I've already put together related content here on this channel for your convenience.